How to fix Flotsam crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to the library, right click on the game, open up the properties window, and then under the launch options you want to add the command -dx11. Now you can go to installed files tab and click on verify game files and wait for this process to finish checking. Now once this is done, you want to make sure that you have the latest GPU update installed. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you can install NVIDIA app and then go to the drivers tab, and from here select game ready driver and make sure to download and install the latest available driver. And once you're done, you can open up your browser and then search for Redist. Click on the first link, scroll down to the second table, and then download and install the 86 version and the 64, both of these. Now before restarting your system, which these installations will prompt you to restart after finishing installation. Before you do that, if you have a laptop or integrated GPU, you can simply look up your laptop models, for example HP 15S followed by a driver like this, and then you can open up your manufacturer link, and from here you can select your operating system version, and it should basically show up all the available drivers for you. And then you can go to the drivers for the graphics card and download the latest versions from here and install them. And once you're done, you will need to restart your system. And after the restart, you just need to run Steam as admin before launching the game. Right click on it and run as admin. And then you can proceed to launch the game, and this should fix the crashing issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.